Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's videos, ayan guys, naglalaro si Noah. Inaayos niya ang kanyang scooter guys. Yung front wheels na bolt and nuts, ayan guys, playing na under maintenance ang kanyang scooter. Ayan guys, ayusin naman niya ang rear wheels. Ayan, tightening ng bolt and nuts ang ginagawa niya guys. Playing siya sa kanyang scooter na nag-under maintenance. Ayan, bata pa lang. Ang galing mo talaga, guys. Ayan, guys. Nagdo-double checking siya, guys, sa kanyang scooter, guys. Enjoy talaga siya, guys, oh, na under maintenance ang kanyang scooter. So, guys, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Pakiclick na rin guys ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking videos guys. Enjoy watching guys! Guys, yung scooter ni Noah, regalo sa kanya nung birthday niya.